And this is Justin from Growing for the Gold, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about this discussion that I've been having and some thoughts that I've been having. And I just wanted to share with you what happens to gold and cryptocurrencies when the economy crashes, or at least what I think will happen with these in future events. So I'm very excited to talk to you about it. I hope this information that we present today is going to be helpful for you to position yourself and protect yourself in the event of a major economic downturn. So watch this video, be right back, and we'll have a great discussion. All right, so at the time of filming this video, it is brand new, 2018. All of 2017 has gone by. The stock market has been roaring like crazy, growing, setting new records, which seems like every single day. Things are climbing like crazy. Bitcoin has revolutionized the way that cryptocurrencies are kind of forcing their way into the market. There's tons of different altcoins that are coming into the market. And really, it's just changing the landscape of the way business has been done. And so right now, everybody is riding high. Everybody's excited. There's not very much caution in the market. And that's a good thing in one sense, and it's a scary thing in another sense, right? And so me being kind of a contrarian in the way that I do my investing and look at things, I always am kind of looking at, all right, what's the worst case scenario? And when things go bad, how can I be in a position to make, make opportunities, take advantage of opportunities when things are going bad? And so I've had these discussions and I put a lot of thought time into what happens when there's the next economic downturn, and what happens to cryptocurrencies and gold during the next economic downturn. So that's what we want to have a discussion about today. My hope is that this is a way for you to position yourself, or at least be aware of maybe one potential outcome of what could happen with these two currencies here. So let's talk about cryptocurrency first. All right, so here's the deal. These are super exciting. I believe that the technology behind the cryptocurrencies, the blockchain technology, is here to stay. It's transforming the landscape of business, not just Bitcoin, but across businesses. There's whole new industries that are being created and whole new businesses that are kind of scrambling to get into place to make blockchain happen. And there's a lot of comparisons between cryptocurrency and gold. And in the sense that cryptocurrencies have basically a limited, finite supply of how many, at least in the case of Bitcoin, how many Bitcoins are going to be produced. And so a lot of people have said, well, if the economy turns bad, I'm going to buy a bunch of Bitcoins. And, that could be a good thing. That could be, a bad thing. We don't know yet. This is so brand new that never even have gone through an economic downturn. So really, nobody's really sure how cryptocurrencies are going to react in a downturn. Now, my opinion is this. Before I jump to my opinion, let's talk about gold for a second. Gold, on the other hand, is not as exciting. It's pretty boring. It's been around for thousands of years. Everybody kind of knows its qualities. But here's the thing. It's been very reliable in the times when economies have kind of fallen. It's stabilized people's portfolios and helped them to hedge some of the losses of what's going on in the economy. So gold has been long-standing and reliable, and it's a physical, tangible asset that you can have in your hand, okay? So you've got these two great, what I think are great avenues or great ways that people are looking possibly, to make money or to protect your money, protect your wealth. In a downturn, my guess, and this is, like I said, this is not financial advice. This is just kind of my thoughts of what will happen in the economic downturn, which in all reality has got to happen. There's got to be a time. We can't just continue to go sky high like we've been going in the stock market. You can't do that forever. So at some point, there's going to be a pullback. At some point, there's going to be a crash. And here's what I see happening. For cryptocurrencies, they're new and exciting, but they're untested, and nobody has 100% trust. All the new people that are flooding their monies into these crypto markets, they're not really sure how they'll respond. So my guess is that when the economy starts to fall, people will pull money out of cryptocurrencies and put them into something that's more reliable, such as gold, or maybe like bonds or different things like that. But people will generally want to put their money where there's some trust. And I'm not saying that cryptocurrencies can't be trusted, but it's just unproven. And I think that alone, for somebody new to investing with cryptos, when the economy goes bad, I think they'll shift their money towards something like gold or silver or precious metals. On the other hand, I think when the economy goes bad, I think that also for cryptocurrencies presents an excellent opportunity to buy cryptocurrencies. So for the people who are prepared for an event like that and they have money on the sidelines, when people do pull their money out of cryptos and they put them into gold, or put the money wherever they want to put it, it's going to drive the prices of cryptos down, and that is going to be a great opportunity to buy while the crypto market is low. So that's my thought on what's going to happen with that. Now, as far as gold, from the other perspective, I think now is the time to kind of hedge your bets using gold and precious metals, and all of this I'm going to link stuff into the bottom of this comment section here, so you can see some links of companies that I trust, and I would suggest that you use if you're going to do either of these. But gold, I think right now is the time to buy gold and hedge your bets. And when people run to gold, you'll now have, that price will then go up. But just keep in mind that the returns are not going to be anywhere near what's going on with the possibilities in cryptos. So anyway, it's a safer, secure play, I think, with gold in the short term. Long term, over the next decades here, I think you're going to see that blockchain and cryptocurrencies will gain trust. I don't think they're going away. I think they're here to stay. I think when the bubble bursts and the crash comes down a little bit, that's the time to buy and look for companies that are using blockchain, that are in it for the long haul, and that have great projects that they're working on and great teams that have leadership, good leadership. So anyway, those are my thoughts on what's going to happen with gold and cryptos in an economic downturn. If you like the video, please subscribe, share it with friends. I certainly appreciate you watching, and hopefully it's been helpful. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks again for watching the Growing for the Gold Success Club.